Hey everyone, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix error code 0 times 0 in Modern Warfare 3 on PC. So first thing you can try is restarting your PC, because a lot of time that is the issue. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is just head over to view network connections right over here, and then if you're either on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever one is connected, you want to right click on that, go to properties, and then you can see Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on this one, and then if this is selected, you want to select this, and at first try 8.8.8.8, after that 8.8.4.4, and then press OK. If this does not work, then you can basically try 1.1.1.1, and then alternate would be 1.0.0.1, like so. Press OK, and either of this should work. Next thing you can do is whichever graphics card you're using, let's say Nvidia, we head over to GeForce Experience, and then in drivers you'll see that if your GPU is updated or not. If not, then update it. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.